Starting a business can be a daunting task, but with the power of OpenAI and its language model, GPT-3, the possibilities are endless. GPT-3 can be used in a variety of ways to help your business succeed. One way to use GPT-3 is to generate content for your business. Whether it's blog posts, social media posts, or product descriptions, GPT-3 can help you produce high-quality content quickly and efficiently. This can save you time and resources while also improving the overall quality of your content. Another way to use GPT-3 is to automate customer service. With GPT-3's natural language processing capabilities, you can create a chatbot that can answer customer questions and provide support 24/7. This can help improve customer satisfaction and reduce the workload for your customer service team. GPT-3 can also be used to create personalized recommendations. By analyzing customer data and preferences, GPT-3 can make personalized product recommendations, increasing customer satisfaction and sales. This can help you create a more personalized shopping experience for your customers and drive sales. Finally, GPT-3 can be used for language translation. GPT-3's ability to understand and generate multiple languages can help your business expand globally, reaching new customers and markets. This can be especially useful for businesses looking to expand into new international markets. In conclusion, OpenAI and GPT-3 can be a valuable asset for any business. By utilizing GPT-3's capabilities, you can improve the efficiency and effectiveness of your business while also providing a better experience for your customers. So why not start using GPT-3 today and see the difference it can make for your business?